we're about to head out shortly and we are going to do some bowling today. We came back after the aqua park and all had naps. We're all kind of sun-kissed today. We've caught the sun quite a lot. It always frustrates me because I get my foundation matched up to my skin, my face, and then I always get a tan after I've had it matched up. So my face is white and my body is, well, right now it's very red. So I'm just on my balcony now waiting to go out. I don't know what Danny's doing, but I will show you the view at night from our balcony. Hopefully that bar up there won't be playing that rubbish headbanging music until 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning again tonight. It hasn't started yet, so hopefully it won't start. But then entertainment doesn't really start here until 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So everything runs quite late here. But anyway, the beach and the sun setting over the other island is really pretty, so I will show you that right now.
I used to think maybe you love me, now baby you should. And I just can't wait till the day when you knock on the door, yeah.
So let's go play some bowling.
Now every time I go for the mailbox, gotta hold myself down, 'cause I just can't wait till you write me you're coming around. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, and don't it feel good? Hey, all right now, and don't it feel good? Hey, all right now, yeah. I used to think maybe you love me, I know that it's true, and I don't wanna spend all my life just waiting for you, just waiting for you. Now I don't want you back for the weekend, not back for a day, no, no, no. I said, baby, I just want you back, and I want you to stay. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, and don't it feel good? Hey, all right now, and don't it feel good? Hey, all right now, and don't it feel good?
So we just finished off bowling and I can't believe that I lost to the kids. They actually legitly scored more than me.
And guess why? Because I was the champion!
If you can see like that crowd of people behind me, they're all stopping to look at the red moon and take pictures of the red moon. Like there's actually quite a lot of people just standing here looking at the moon, which I'm not complaining about because I've just done the same.
Now there's more people looking at you, talking to a camera.
So what?
Que voy a dar la vuelta.
So we are just walking down the prom now. We're gonna go down towards the beach and
I'm gonna get ice cream.
and we're what?
I'm gonna get ice cream.
What flavour?
A chocolate.
Whoop whoop. We got ice cream. What she said. So
Something in it.
Oh,
Let me that. Let me have a try.
how is it?
Donuts. Donuts.
What is it?
it's lovely.
Let me have a try.
No, yours is coming.
I want to have a try.
Oh, you're about to... Yours looks like it came from Mackie's second.
I like McDonald's ice cream.
Papa, I want to try
They're nice.
Yeah, I do don't like frozen berries because it makes me sick. Ice cream's nice. Vanilla. It's like whippy ice cream.
We will eat your frozen berries.
Something tells me I can believe that.
Now we're eating pink and chocolate and vanilla ice cream. And some of it got on the dress.
Oh dear.
Oh, don't need to know that. And
Whose ice cream was the best?
mine.
And what did you get?
I got pink ice cream.
Do you know what flavour that is?
Strawberry. Well. Get it on me, please. Since I'm the best one, I had been a champion. I had got the whole right down the lane.
Put it on its nose. Put its nose in.
You know what I did that?
Let's see. Let's see your head. Turn around. Turn to the side. Turn. Is that nice? So I'm not quite sure why, but the moon is red today and apparently it's a big deal. There's a lot of people looking at it and taking photos, so I will show you what it's like. So this is my moon and I will zoom in on it so you can see it is actually red.
That's what you
And don't it feel